Implementing AI the easy way. Your daily dose, come and stay. Big stories broken down today. AI the easy way.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Implementing AI the Easy Way. I'm your host, Joe Machado, and today I am bringing the sauce that will help you level up your content marketing game. Picture this. You're a content marketer. It's Sunday night. You're panic scrolling through your content calendar, realizing you have nothing scheduled for Monday. You're in your pajamas, eating cereal straight from the box, desperately trying to think of something, anything clever to post about National Sock Day or whatever random hashtag is trending. We've all been there. Or if you haven't, congratulations. You're a unicorn and we're all jealous. But what if, while you were sleeping like a normal human being, an AI spotted a trending topic, wrote 3 killer posts about it, matched each with the perfect image, and had everything ready for your morning coffee? Welcome to AI content engines. And no, I'm not talking about those sad scheduling tools that just copy paste the same message everywhere. I'm talking about something that might actually save your sanity and free up more of your calendar than you could possibly imagine. Let's dive in. So let's talk numbers for a second. There are 4.8 billion people on social media right now. That's billion with a B. That's 59% of all humans currently alive, scrolling through cat videos and arguing in comment sections. And you're supposed to cut through all that noise with your Tuesday morning post about productivity tips or whatever. It's like trying to be heard at a concert by politely clearing your throat. Good luck with that. Here's the kicker. Studies show that if you analyze engagement signals in real time with AI, you can boost your viral chances by 30%. But you, dear human marketer, cannot personally analyze millions of posts while also attending meetings, responding to Slack messages, and pretending to care about the office potluck. Your brain would turn into oatmeal. Not even the good kind with the brown sugar and berries, just plain, sad oatmeal. This is where AI agents swoop in like caffeinated superheroes. So what if I told you that you could hire 5 employees who never sleep, never complain, and never steal your lunch from the office fridge? Meet your AI content team. First, there's the trend analyst. This is that annoyingly cool friend who knows about memes before they're memes, scans platforms hourly, spots what's about to blow up, and gives you a heads up before your competition even finishes their morning coffee. Then you've got the copywriter, has studied your brand voice, knows what worked and what bombed, creates multiple versions of each post so you can test instead of guess. It's like having a writer who never gets writer's block. Ever. The visual assistant makes sure you don't accidentally post something that looks like a Canva template that had a nervous breakdown. Because we've all seen those posts and nobody wants to be that brand. The fact checker is your paranoid friend who questions everything, verifies stats, flags sketchy claims, ensures you don't go viral for spreading misinformation, because that's the kind of viral you definitely don't want. And finally, the publisher knows that what crushes on LinkedIn will bomb on TikTok, adapts everything for each platform, hashtags, emojis, timing, the works. But, and this is huge, you're still the boss. The AI is your crew. You approve everything, because letting AI run wild is how we end up with Skynet, and nobody wants that. Now, let's talk about platform personalities for a moment. Here's the thing. Every platform is basically a different personality type and a party. TikTok is the ADHD friend who needs constant entertainment. Instagram is the collector who saves everything for later. LinkedIn is the overthinker who wants deep, meaningful conversations. And Twitter? Pure chaos. It just wants everyone arguing in the replies about whether a hot dog is a sandwich. You can't copy-paste the same message everywhere. That's like wearing a tuxedo to Coachella. Technically, you're dressed, but you're doing it very, very wrong. Coca-Cola figured this out. They used AI to tailor content to what people actually wanted to see on each platform. Result? 25% boost in engagement. If a company that invented modern marketing sees those gains, imagine what it means for nimble businesses like yours.
Quick side note here. You know SEO, right? Making Google happy so people find you. Well, there's a new kid in town. AEO, Answer Engine Optimization. That's making ChatGPT and Claude happy so when someone asks a question, your content is what they cite. Be clear, be specific, use real numbers, front load your punchline, because now you're optimizing for both humans scrolling on phones and AI systems analyzing millions of pages. It's honestly kind of exhausting, but it's also kind of the future. So real talk, does this stuff actually work, or is it just buzzword bingo? A regional auto dealership tried this. AI agents, rapid testing, smart posting. They saw a 3x increase in qualified leads. 3 times. Bob Roman Kia, 43% increase in qualified leads. These aren't flukes. This is what happens when you stop treating content like a chore and start treating it like a system. And you don't need a massive budget. Start small. Pick one platform. Set one goal, like increase Instagram saves 20% in 60 days. Build that, then scale. It's like the gym. You don't walk in and try to deadlift 500 pounds. You start with a bar, add weight gradually, or you just hurt yourself and give up. Here's a clever trick that I love. When you spot a hot topic, don't create one post. Create 3 versions. Fast. Launch all 3, see which catches fire, then amplify the winner while it's still hot. It's like surfing. You don't wait until the wave passes to decide if you want to ride it. The article calls this burst scheduling. I call it scientifically optimized spaghetti throwing. You're testing which pieces stick best, then throwing more of that specific spaghetti. Okay, that metaphor got weird, but you get it. And pay attention to how your audience actually talks. Wendy's on Twitter doesn't sound corporate. They sound like that witty friend with perfect comebacks. Your AI can spot these language patterns and help you mirror them back. Not to be fake, just to be fluent in your community's dialect. Now, quick adulting moment. You need governance. I know, it sounds as exciting as watching paint dry, but here's the deal. Treat your AI like new employees. Give them examples of good versus bad outputs. Set clear rules. Always fact check. Never let it just run unsupervised. Have a red team prompt that asks the AI to find reasons not to publish something. It's like a built-in devil's advocate. And please, for the love of everything, don't scrape data without permission or publish unverified claims. The internet never forgets, and viral for the wrong reasons ends careers. AI should amplify your standards, not bypass them. So what does this actually look like day to day? You wake up, check your dashboard. Your trend analyst flagged opportunities overnight. Your copywriter drafted posts. Your fact checker approved most of them. You review, maybe tweak 1 or 2, hit publish. Then you go actually run your business while your AI team handles the rest. End of week, you see what worked, what bombed, what to test next. Feed that back in. System gets smarter, results get better. It's not magic, it's just a system. But it beats eating cereal in your pajamas at midnight, panic posting about National Sock Day. Bottom line, this isn't some far future fantasy. Companies are doing this now and seeing real results. The article lays out the whole playbook. The AI agent roles, platform strategies, governance frameworks, everything you need. And if you're wondering where to start, platforms are popping up that package all this into actual tools. My content generator at my.contentgenerator.me is one example built around these exact principles. But whatever tools you use, the key is start small, test everything, keep humans in the loop, build systems that compound. The future of content isn't about grinding harder. It's about building smarter systems. Thanks for hanging out. Now go forth and may your content never bomb on a Tuesday morning. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay on top of the latest tech trends and AI news. Until next time, this has been Implementing AI the Easy Way.